gradually moved from the Baja plant to the new Texas plant. So, but it takes more than 4 years. So, at least 4 years, no change. But after 4 years, I think it's huge impact. So you can feel some anxiety or concerns. Very frankly, I have no right answer right now, to be honest with you. However, we need to think about the one by one, or team member one by one, the moving forward for their future. That's a very my feeling, and then what is it? And then the chairman Akio also mentioned in that meeting. The Baja and including KDC is a kind of the special place in his mind because he was working at noon. He been to the Mexico, so he recognized there's no Toyota car driving on the road because we have no manufacturing facility in Mexico at that time. So he decided he needs something in Mexico, the operation in Mexico. So that's why he's fully involved in from the site selection here in the Baja plant. So that's why this decision making, he was informed Baja team member, executives, officers at first before the official announcement. So that is his mind. So I'm happy to share with you. So anyway, you have many concerns or questions, please do that. But again, let's think about the answer together.
Thank you.
Back to